because Pinoys are the best. They're the kindest, most gracious, most masipag, most resourceful. You never give up. You know? Pag masyado nang mahirap, gagawa ng joke. Saan ko naman nakakita ng gano'n? Hirap na nagpapatawa pa.
Very resilient.
Tough. We're tough. We're tough, not in the arrogant or aggressive way. We're tough in a very gentle Asian way. Which is for me the most remarkable quality that Filipinos have. We're the best. Pinoys are the best. You can bring them anywhere, ask them to do anything, basta ibakapan mo, basta you support them, they'll do good. You cannot put a Pinoy down.
Yan.
They won't stop. They won't stop. Especially for the family.
So that's the best quality of a Pinoy. If I were to ask you naman po, what's your best quality?
My